Hello everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. We continue on with our precast warehouse that we've been working on, and today we're going to just do a quick review. And by the way, haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We've got our top of footing here where we're showing this is going to be our footing plan or our foundation. And then we have our level 1 structural, which I'm showing the columns and the embedded plates for holding of the wall panels. You can see we have this section here, and just look at that in hidden line. So there's our section, and there's our plate connecting. So, but what we're going to do now, we're going to go back here, and we're going to work on our floors. But let's focus on this top floor here. We want to do this precast, this floor right here, a level 2. So what I'm going to do, I struggled with getting this done in this file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this file. I don't know if this will work for you. I'm going to show you how this works, how I did this. I'm going to leave this file. Yeah, I guess I could save it. And I'm going to open up the precast template. So I'm going to go to my new I'm going to browse to the precast detailing default template. I'm going to open it up. And we're going to go OK. So now what I'm going to do, this is going to be a separate file here we're going to use. So I'm going to rename this. And we're going to call this well, let's just start on it for now. I'm going to link this in. I'm going to link that architecture file. So I'm going to go to my Insert tab here. And I'm going to link Revit. And I'm going to go find that file that we were using. Hopefully I'll get the right one. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it, all your support here. And any comments, put it in the comments section. There's warehouse. Now I'm going to go down to my, where is it? Okay. Where's that file? There it is right there. So we're going to open this file up. And we're going to bring in the origin to origin. And what we're going to do, I'm going to just close that for now. And what we're going to do, we're going to go into our elevation views, north particularly. Man, I don't really, this thing just so stubborn. Just throw the south end. Damn. Wow, that'll be. So here, yeah, it'll go to north. Now in this view, we're going to pick up our level 2. And our level 2 on our file is 12 feet above grade. So I'm going to put that at 12. And then I'm going to open up level 2 here. Gosh, boy. I'm having a day, folks. Let's go to open level 2. Now on level 2, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my structure floor. I'm going to do a structural floor, and over here in the project, in the properties, I have an option for 8-inch core slab. And I want to take that guy, and I'm going to do a shape right through here. I'm going to take this guy right along here where our floors in the other file is going to be. Then I'm going to get my span direction here. Okay, and then I'm going to finish this. Now I want to offset this probably 8 inches, just so it can be above the walls there. And now I'm going to select it again on the precast, and here I want to go split, and here I want to go with the hollow core slab. Click OK, and there's should be cutting our floor. And okay, I'm going to ignore it. I'm going to say okay. So there we have our planks. So now I'm going to rename this file. I'm going to call it core floor. And I'm going to hit the options, going to do 1. And I'm going to go OK. And I'll save it. Now actually, I want to drop this reference, this link file, because they're going to give us some issues here. What happened there? Let's push that back. Okay. I don't know what happened there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just go in here into my Manage tab, go to my links, and I want to drop this. I don't need this here anymore. So I'm going to just select it, hit remove, and OK. Now, so we just have plank in this file. That's all we want. Let's do find view. Let's see what we got in our 3D view here. Let's make it fine as well. Let's do shaded view. Okay, so now, do we have core floor here? Let's just double check here. Yeah, we do. We just can't hardly see it. Let's do a wireframe just so we can see. Okay, is this the level? Okay. So we have our floor here. I don't know why it's not showing, but what I'm going to do now, let me go back. Yep, that's where we want. We see it in this elevation. So this is what we're after here. And I'm going to save this now. Actually, I'm going to leave this file. And yes, I do want to save it. Now let's go back into our architectural file. So everything in the core floor will happen in that core floor file in this project. I really struggled. I couldn't get it in this file. I don't know why. Anybody know how to do that? Let me know. So now here, for our second level up here, I'm going to just bring this floor because it's going to be structural. We're going to need structure there to hold things up. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to insert. I'm going to link Revit. And I want a core floor here. And it's origin to origin. I'm going to open it up. And there's our core floor. Exactly where we want it. So that floor is done for the second level, and we're going to do, this is probably just going to be a storage place. That's why we need the floor there to be a structural floor. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back down to my level 1 structural. There it is, the structural level 1 here. And on this level, we're going to have a concrete floor on outside here. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go structure, a slab here. It's probably going to be about 6 inches. It's 12. We want a 6-inch slab here. Foundation slab. Yeah, let's go with this one. And I'm gonna go from here over to here. This other floor, we're gonna do something else with that because that's not gonna be, this has got to be a strong floor here because this is where the, let me just edit this again. Let me see what we got here. I want to edit this type. So we want to edit this to make sure we got a span correct. So I want to take this floor again. I'm going to pick it with this. Hit that. Actually, I want to hit it now. See if I can find that floor. Oh, geez, guys. Okay, sorry about that. So let's just have a look in this section what we got here. Okay. Now this under here is going to be engineer fill. This is going to be below the frost line. So I'm going to go back into my 3D view. So we're going good here. I'm going to get these other floors done. I just wanted to show you all how we bring the plank into our project. So there's our core floor and our foundation floor. So hey guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and please subscribe. Any comments or questions, please put it in the comment section. And we're moving on, folks. Have a good day and everybody be safe. Bye.